We're going to solve one problem on B plus tree. So here is the respective question for us. The order of an internal node in a B plus tree index is the maximum number of children it can have. We have discussed this one in our earlier videos on B plus tree, that in case of B plus tree, we are going to have two kinds of nodes are there. One will be the internal nodes, which will be containing say p number of pointers and p minus 1 number of such info fields, and there will be some leaf nodes and which will be having the structure different because there will be no such pointer which will be pointing to the children nodes because they are the leaf nodes. Okay. Now this question says that suppose that a child pointer takes 6 bytes, the search field value takes 14 bytes and the block size is 512 bytes. What is the order of the internal node? So they are dealing with the internal node only. So in case of internal node, if we have p number of pointer fields, then we shall be having p minus 1 number of search info fields, and that is quite common because we have discussed this one in our earlier videos on B plus tree. So child pointer takes 6 bytes, so we will be having p into 6 bytes of space for the pointer fields, and search field is value is having the 14 bytes, that means p minus 1 into 14 will be the byte count for the search info fields. Okay, and the block size is 512 bytes. So how to solve this problem? Here I am showing you the respective calculation for that. So 14 into p minus 1 plus 6 into p must be less than equal to 512. So 20p minus 14 must be less than 512. So if we go on doing, so p we are getting here 26. So that means we shall be having 26 pointer fields and 25 search info fields. So in this way the internal node structure will be decided, and number of pointer fields in the internal node will decide the order of the B plus tree. So here this B plus tree will be having the order of 26. In this way the answer has to be written. Thanks for watching this video.